This is our homemade delicious pasta sauce. You'll never need the jar stuff again.
This pasta sauce is inspired from our travels to Italy, and one thing that we learned out there is it's best to keep it simple. So to start off with, we're going to put some olive oil into a pan and then add some Italian finely chopped tomatoes. Make sure you get a good quality one.
The best quality Italian tomatoes that we found in the supermarket are the muti tomatoes. So all we do to this is add salt and pepper.
Mix well and then bring to a simmer. Then you want to cover and leave this to simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally.
This is such a simple recipe, but this is really the most important step. This really gives a chance for the sauce to thicken and the flavours to develop over time.
Now the sauce is thickened up, it's time to add the basil. You can add fresh basil and then leave it to simmer for another 15 minutes to really allow that basil flavour to infuse in the sauce. If you're making pasta at the same time, this is the perfect time to put it on.
Add in your cooked pasta and make sure you mix it really well. If the sauce seems a little bit too thick, then just add in some of that pasta water.
Simple, good quality ingredients really do make the best pasta sauce. This easy tomato sauce will become a staple in your home. If you like this recipe and want other recipes like this, hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below what you want to see next.